Microservices in LLM and RAG projects. Definition: the architectural approach of breaking down components of large language models (LLM) in retrieval-augmented generation RAG systems into smaller, loosely coupled services that communicate via APIs, enhancing scalability, flexibility, and maintainability. Key components: large language models (LLM). Complex models like GPT-3 or BERT used for natural language processing tasks. Retrieval-augmented generation RAG. Models combining retrieval methods with generative models for improved content generation. Service architecture. Individual services for model training, inference, data preprocessing, and orchestration. API gateway. Centralized entry point that manages and routes API requests to appropriate microservices. Service discovery. Mechanisms to locate and communicate with microservices dynamically in distributed environments. Benefits. Scalability. Allows scaling individual components independently based on workload demands. Agility. Facilitates rapid development and deployment of updates or new features. Fault isolation. Reduces the impact of failures by isolating services. Modularity. Encourages modular design, making it easier to replace or upgrade individual components. Resource efficiency. Optimizes resource allocation by scaling only necessary services. Applications in LLM and RAG. Model training service. Dedicated microservices for training large language models. Inference service. Microservices handling real-time inference requests for generated content. Data preprocessing service. Services for cleaning, transforming, and preparing data for model training. Orchestration service. Manages workflow and coordination between different microservices. Monitoring and management services. Tools for monitoring performance, managing resources, and logging. Tools and technologies. Docker. Containerization platform for packaging microservices and their dependencies. Kubernetes. Container orchestration tool for managing and automating deployment, scaling, and operations. gRPC. Remote Procedure Call RPC framework for efficient communication between microservices. Istio. Service mesh platform for managing and securing microservice communication. Prometheus. Monitoring and alerting toolkit for tracking microservices performance. Challenges. Distributed data management. Ensuring consistency and reliability of data across distributed microservices. Service orchestration complexity. Managing interactions and dependencies between numerous microservices. Security. Implementing robust security measures to protect APIs and data exchanged between services. Monitoring and tracing. Monitoring and diagnosing performance issues across distributed services. Integration and interoperability. Ensuring seamless integration and compatibility between different microservices.